The question says three parallel metallic plates, each of area A, right? Each of area A are kept as shown in the figure, and charges Q1, Q2, and Q3 are given to them. Edge effects are negligible. Calculate the charges on the two outermost surfaces A and F. So we are having three plates like this. In this arrangement, we have to find the charges on the outer surface A as well as on F. Remember, charges on surface A must be is equals charges on surface F. This is the hint. Okay, so you have to use this hint. So in this situation, what we must know here is, you know, we are given with Q1 charge on first plate, Q2 charge on second plate, and Q3 charge on the third plate. Now I am considering only this plate, which is the first one. Okay, I am considering the first plate here, and a charge Q1 is on it. Total charge Q1 is on it. Let me assume a charge Q is existing on this side of the surface. Then what charge should exist on this side? Total charge must be Q1. Okay, so then the amount of charge on this side, that is Q1 minus Q. That means on this side, which is A, we are having a charge Q, and on the side B, we are having charge Q1 minus Q on the first plate. Right. So let me take the second plate. Okay, this is the second plate. Right. In the second plate, the total charge is Q2. Right. Total charge is Q2. And how much charge should exist on side C and D? That should be known. One hint I am giving you now, always the opposite faces of two different plates in such arrangements should have same amount of charges but opposite in sign. That is Q B must be is equals minus QC. Okay, this is one more hint that you must know. Opposite faces. Opposite faces. Right, should have such kind of charge arrangement. Then what do you expect on this side? This side must be minus of Q1 minus Q. So which will be is equals Q, right, minus Q1. Then what charge should exist on this side? Total charge must be Q2, right? So that means Q2 minus Q minus Q1, which should be is equals what it is? It is Q1 plus Q2 minus Q. This is the amount of charge existing on side D. Okay, so we got the charge on this side. Now we have to think over the last plate. So that work should be done here. Okay, see what I am writing. See, this is the third plate what we are seeing, and on the third plate the total charge is Q3, and on this side, okay, so on this side how much charge should be written? So amount of charge on this side should be uh, QD. The hint is what? QD must be is equals to minus QE, right? QE. You can see this one, charge on this side must be is equals charge on this side, but opposite in side. That means how much charge I should write on side E, right? So on side E, it should be minus of Q1 plus Q2 minus Q, right? So this should be the amount of charge on this side. Then what do you expect on this side? So that should be written one more time, right? So what amount of charge is existing on this side? So this side it must be, right, it is Q3 minus this much minus, right, inside bracket I should write Q1 plus Q2 minus Q. You should be careful when you are writing this one. It is Q3, right, it's plus q1 plus q2 minus q. So when you solve this one, this will be q1 plus q2 plus q3 minus q, right? So this is the amount of charge on side F. Okay, so now what I said in the beginning, the amount of charge on the first plate on the side A is what I assumed, it is q, right? It is q. And now what is the charge on this side we are getting, that is on face F, this much, right? On this side we are having, it is q1 plus q2 plus q3 minus q. Now what we have to do, we have to add all those things together, right? We have to add all those things together in order to get the final answer. That means these two charges are same, q and these things are same. Algebraical sum must be 0. That is q is equals q1 plus q2 plus q3, okay, minus q. When I bring this minus q on this side, this becomes 2q is equals q1 plus q2 plus q3. So finally, small letter q is equals what? It is q1 plus q2 plus q3 whole divided by 2, right? So then what the answer we obtained? We obtained this much. This is the amount of charge q1 plus q2 plus q3 by 2 is the charge on this side as well as this side, because I already have given you the hint that charge on face A is equals charge on face F. That means the amount of q, whatever you are seeing on this side, must exist on this side, right? So the answer is q1 plus q2 plus q3 divided by 2. That answer should be chosen, right? This one, which is here, option A.